Pilau is prepared in so many ways, in different ways, and for me, I'm going to show you how I make or prepare my delicious pilau. This is the pilau that you'll never get tired of. So sit, relax, and take some tips from this video. If you are a new subscriber, welcome and join the family. Share my videos, like and comment on my videos always. Stay tuned. So you have to use enough oil that will help in cooking your onions and brown your meat at the same time. Let your cooking oil heat for like 2 to 3 minutes before you go ahead and add your onions. What I normally do with my pilau is I first start with frying my meat before I go ahead and add the onions. Mark you, I had already boiled my meat with some salt in it. Yeah, so keep stirring until they turn golden brown. When the meat starts to turn its color is when I go ahead and add my onions. And remember, the more onions, the sweetest the pilau. So you have to use enough onions in your pilau. Mix everything together and let your onions and meat cook until it's golden brown. So when everything has changed the color, it's when you go with your garlic. Yes, and mix everything together as always until it's well golden brown, because that's the color that will change your pilau. So you have to make sure your onions are always a golden brown. For the spices, I used the pilau masala itself and cumin powder. So I measured 2 spoons of pilau masala and 1 spoon of cumin powder. So you go ahead and add that mixture in your meat and mix everything together for the spices to be well combined. And for my pilau, I used some potatoes and peas, or you can call it minji. So I went ahead and added my potatoes and mixed everything together so that the potatoes can absorb that sweetness, the spices, the salt. Yes. I added 1 scoop of tomato paste to add flavor in my pilau. You can as well use the normal tomatoes, it's okay. So I went ahead and added some broth to avoid burning, and added some peas too, or you can call them minji, and mixed everything together. After that, cover your ingredients for like 5 minutes to steam. After the mixture is ready is when I went ahead and added my rice, and I had washed my rice and soaked it for 30 minutes for best results. So mix everything together so that your rice can absorb the ingredients, or rather the spices. You can as well, you can always use normal water when cooking your pilau, but I had the remaining broth, so I decided to use the broth in my pilau, and the flavor, ooh, it just gives your pilau the best flavor ever. So if you are lucky enough to boil your meat and the broth remains, then well and good. You can use it at this stage. I used 1 cup of broth and a quarter cup of water because the broth wasn't enough to cook my pilau. Make sure you mix everything together. Be gentle to avoid the breakages in your rice. And after that, cover your pilau to cook for like 15 to 20 minutes. Always check on your pilau to avoid burning. So after water has reduced, I like going with my foil at this stage to cover my pilau so that I feel like I always have the best results when doing this. So you can do with foil or without foil. It's optional. Make sure you cover it so well. After cooking your pilau on low heat, it's time to check and turn off your heat. Ooh, as you can see, my pilau is looking good. Oh my god. The potatoes are well cooked. The peas are well cooked. Everything is cooked so well. Looking good, looking nice. Oh. And my pilau is ready to be served. As simple as that. Oh my god. I just love what I'm doing. I love cooking. It's my passion. Ooh. My final results, my pilau is looking good. It's delicious. It is yummy. Oh, I served my pilau with some kachumbari and a banana. Oh, I'm already salivating. I hope you loved my video. Please like my video, share, comment, subscribe. Until on my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye.